These are the tools that you'll be seeing on your soldering desk. So let's on the fume extractor and the soldering iron. There are different settings for the soldering iron, be it the 200, 300 and 400 degrees Celsius. We will use the 400 degrees Celsius and we will wait for the soldering iron to be heated up. So these are the basic tools that we'll be using: the desoldering gun and solder, and also the printed circuit board. So first, place your element on your printed circuit board and use a tape to secure its position. Using your heated soldering iron, place it on the metal tip to heat the metal tip for a while, and then place the solder near it. So there are 3 steps to follow. Heat the tip, place the solder, wait for 2 seconds. In any case where you have overcrowding of your solder, when the solder is heated up, use your desoldering gun to extract it.